So in this video I'll tell you how you can sign up on StockEdge. So just click on the link provided. As soon as you click on the link, you will come back to this page, which is basically stockage.com/plan/stock. So what you need to do is you just need to click on subscribe. As soon as you click on subscribe, there are two options: continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, or you can click on create account. So you can do anything. I'll just click on continue with Google. So if I click on continue with Google, it will ask my email IDs, and I can just enter that and I can go inside the application. So I'll just quickly show you that. And in case you want to create an account, you just need to click on this button, which is create account. So for creating account, you just need to enter your first name, your last name, phone number. So see, phone number is not compulsory. If you want to enter it, then enter it. In case you enter your phone number, you have to verify it. You just need to enter your email ID, your password. Just re-enter your password and accept the terms. So I'll quickly complete the process, and I'll just show you how to go in the next step. So you can also alternatively sign up with this option, which is continue with Google. You can use this as well. But I am using the manual option, so that in case any one of you don't have Google account and still want to go ahead with the website, then you can go ahead. So here you can see I have entered the details. I'll just click on I accept the terms and condition, then I'll just click on register. So as soon as I click on register, so they are saying that the password and confirmation password does not match. Let me match that password and I'll just show you the next step. So now I have entered the password properly. I'll just click on register. As soon as I click on register, there is a message confirmation your account has been created pending email verification. Please check your email to complete the verification process. I'll quickly go to the email and I'll just quickly verify this. So here you will receive an email like this. What you need to do is you just need to click on confirm your email. As soon as you click on confirm your email, your account will be confirmed. You can see it here, the account is getting confirmed. So you can just click on login. As soon as you click on login, after that they'll ask you to enter your ID or password. So I just remember my ID password. I'll just enter that and I'll just meet you in the next step. So here you can see I have entered my ID and password. I'll just click on login. As soon as I click on login, this is the basically stockage basically helps you to become a better trader and investor. They give weekly breakout, high delivery percentage, the candlestick scans, which are the bullish stocks, IPO notes, and some great traders, what stock are they having in their portfolio and all. And so it basically provides you the whole idea about the stocks. You can just go and click on search on stock. So you can just go on my plans, and you can see that you have no plans, so you can just go and get anything on stockage premium for free. So what you do is you'll get this 399 rupees premium for 1 month for free. So you just need to click on subscribe. As soon as you click on subscribe, they'll your name is already there. You just need to enter your phone, you just need to enter your address, city, state, pin code. If you want to take this 100% cashback on Kotak Securities, you can take that. If you are not interested, you will just click on opt out. And after that, you will just apply our coupon code, which is stock 100 STOCK 100. If you apply this, click on apply. You can see that you will get this for 0 rupees. And after that, what you need to do is you need to enter your phone number, you need to verify your phone number. And after verifying your phone number, you can basically enter your address and take this premium for free of cost, right? I'll just take this premium for free of cost and I'll just show you the next step. So here you can see that I have entered my billing information, and after that I have already applied the coupon code stock 100. I'll just click on send OTP. As soon as I click on send OTP, you can see that there is a button of verification, which is being shown here. You can just enter the OTP and click on that verify button. I'll just quickly do that and I'll just show you the after the final purchase. So as I have verified my number and all the details, I'll just click on subscribe. I have already applied the stock 100 coupon code, which will give me this for free. So you can see it that I have got it for free. These are the features that I'll get. I'll not get ads, I'll get interactive edge chart, I'll get advanced scan, I'll get advanced filters for stocks, investment themes, investor portfolios, strategies. I can take notes, I can take MF investment themes, business houses, I can follow business houses, edge reports, company filings. I can download all the reports in CSV format, and I'll also get investment ideas. So these are all the things. Other than that, I'll also get this offer if I want, which is 100% cashback on brokerage for 1 month on Kotak Securities Demat account. So I'm not interested in that, but still I'm interested in all these future features so that I can trade properly. So I hope you have got an idea what Stockage Premium is, how you can take it for free, and how you can register on a Stockage website basically. So thanks for watching this video. Do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel for more offers and details before leaving. Bye bye.